दर वर्सा सरकार हज ओरिएंटेशन कार्यावळी खातीर हज कमिटीक 20 लाख रुपया दितात. मात अंदू सरकारान कसलीच मजत दिवंक ना. ताका लागून मोहम्मद इक्बालान आपणेच जावन राजीनामो दिला अशें नजीर खान हांणी सांगलां.
Mohammad Iqbal has been terminated, which is a false allegation. Iqbal have already resigned first, and the resignation is due to the lack of the funds by the government for the orientation program, which be allotted by the government every year of amount 20 lakhs. Okay, which is not allotted by the government for him, and because of that he have resigned, and there is no thing on the paper, on the record that government have terminated him. It is after his resignation that government is publishing that he is being terminated, and is putting a false allegation saying that he has been active BJP.
सरकाराक ही मजत करपाक अपेस आयला. भाजपान आसून लेगीत भाजपाच्या अल्पसंख्याक अध्यक्षान अल्पसंख्याक आनी हज कमिटी खातीर कांयच करूंक ना. तशेंच ताका गोंयांत अल्पसंख्याक आयोग सुरू करपाक अपेस आयला असो आरोपूय तांणी केला.
Okay, till today he have not done anything for the minority. Jinnah have to produce what he have done for the Hajj committee. Being in the BJP, whether he have demanded Congress to release the fund, or he have done anything for the Hajj house, or anything for the relating to the minority, not minority community. Whether he have put government to implement minority commission in Goa.
शेख जिनान आपल्या 4 वर्साच्या कार्यकाळात फक्त एकूच फावट हज कमिटीक आर्थीक मजत दिल्या अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलां.
3 वर्सां नथिंग.
सो 4 वर्साच्या टर्मान एकूच फावट
एकूच फावटी दिला.
IDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.